Velocity. Velocity. Right. Now look at the board. Now we are going to learn about the velocity. Right. Before going to learn about the velocity, tell me what is mean by displacement. You already learned about the displacement. What is the displacement? Change of position of an object during its motion. No, during its motion. Right now think about, there is a one point like that. This is the point A, this is the point B. Right, when some person travel from A to B by using the like that path, you already learned about this is the distance. No, this is the distance. The change of position from A to B is like that. This is the change of position. Change of position. Change of position from starting point to the ending point is known as what? Displacement. No, displacement. Displacement. Normally velocity is defined as rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. If not, another definition is displacement traveled in unit time. Displacement traveled in unit time. ඒ කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? rate of change of displacement කියන්නේ මොකක්ද පුතේ? displacement එක වෙනස් වීමේ ශීඝ්‍රතාවය. මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතෙන්ට පොසිෂන් එක වෙනස් වීමටනේ අපි කියන්නේ displacement කියලා කියන්නේ. ඒකට යම්කිසි ටයිම් එකක් ගත වෙනවා. ටයිම් එකත් එක්ක කොහොමද මේක වෙනස් වෙනවා කියන quantity එකට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? velocity කියලා කියන්නේ. එහෙනම් කොහොමද අපි මේක ලියන්නේ මේ? අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන් එහෙනම් මේ බලා ගන්න. Velocity is equal rate of change of displacement. Displacement, you must keep remember. Rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. This one can be written, velocity is equal change of displacement divide by time. If not, this one can be written as velocity is equal displacement divided by time also. Velocity is equal displacement divided by time also. Displacement divided by time also. Right, now tell me, could you understand what is the velocity? Velocity කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා තේරුණාද? මොකද්ද මට ආයි කියන්න මොකද්ද පුතේ velocity කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Displacement traveled in unit time. එහෙම නැත්නම් මොකද්ද? Rate of change of මොකද්ද? Displacement. නේද? මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතෙන්ට displacement එක වෙනස් වෙනවා. නේද? ඒක කොහොමද time එකත් එක්ක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ කියන එක. time එකත් එක්ක කොහොමද ඒක බලපාන්නේ? ආන් ඒ quantity එකට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? velocity කියලා කියන්නේ. දැන් අපි ගණන් කීපයකට අදමු මෙන්න බලා ගන්න. velocity කියලා කියන්නේ මොකක්ද එහෙනම්? rate of change of displacement. This one can be written as velocity is equal to change of displacement divided by time. If not, this one can be written as displacement divided by time also, right? Then you can write down what is mean by. We will go to learn how to take the units for the velocity. Right, now you learned about what is the velocity and what is the equation of the velocity, no? What is the equation of the velocity, right? Then we will go to learn what is the units of the velocity. Right, now look at the board. Units of the velocity. Units of the velocity. Units of the velocity. Right, now tell me, what can be used to take the units for the velocity? If we want to take the units for the velocity, we should take the equation of the velocity, no? What is the equation of the velocity? What is the equation of the velocity? Velocity is equal displacement divided by time, no? Displacement divided by time. What is the displacement? Right, so what are the units used to measure the displacement? Under the displacement, you learned about, say, millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometers are the units that can be used to measure the displacement, no? What are the units that can be used to measure the time? Second, minutes, hour are the units that can be used to measure the time. By using those units, we can build the different units for the velocity. Now think about, if we use the meter for the displacement and second for the time, then how to write? If not, how to take the unit for the velocity? Meter per second. Right. If we use the kilometer for the displacement and hours for the time, how to write the unit? Kilometer per hours. If we use the centimeter for displacement and second for the time, how to take the unit? Centimeter per second. Centimeter per second. Other units also can be taken to take the units for the velocity. But among the meter per second, kilometer per hours and centimeter per second, what is the SI unit? What is the SI unit? SI unit is what? Meter per second, kilometer per second or centimeter per second. You must keep remember, meter per second is the SI unit for the velocity. Right, now you can write down the units and then we will go to